Here's a 2012 Jeep Wrangler. The customer complaint is when driving around in the streets, the lights flicker. Now watch this. I'm going to turn the headlights on. Watch the dash. See it? Every once in a while, you're going to see a little flash. That's also the dome light. So you can shine up a little bit here. Turn it around for you. See that? It flashes also. So ready to get this to do it is you play with this headlight switch right here. Watch. If you leave it alone, it stays just like that. Guess when you go over the bumps and you start hitting that switch, see you're scanning away a little bit. See? If I don't touch it, it's fine. If I touch it, it freaks out. See it? Now, if I turn it to automatic, it still flickers, but not as bad. Look, I can slap this thing around. It's not as bad, but the dome light still does it. See, even in automatic. So clearly, it needs this switch. There's most likely on these new style things, there's a switch in there. This is all connected. It's all one big square piece. Just want to let you know. Let me see. If you're not automatic, I put it in high beam. I can still get it. No, you could see the reflection off the RPM over there that the dome light is flicking, but the dash is not flicking. But let's put it back to normal headlights. And there it is. It's freaking out. All right, so most likely it's the headlight switch that this is attached to. It should be all sold in one item because that's the way the, I remember neon was sold that way. All right, I'm gonna take it apart and see what it is. Get back to you in a different part.